Hey everyone, Mark here at Seaway Hyundai, here to show you another great pre-owned vehicle. This is a 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan with the SXT and Premium Plus package. We'll do a quick walk around the outside, then I'll show you some of the interior features, showing you how much value you get with this van. I think the sticker price on this van, brand new, is around $46,000. So there's a ton of standard features. We're really happy to pick this one up, because we know a lot of customers still have an immense use for a Dodge Grand Caravan. You get some rear park sensors, you got the trunk protector right here. Great if you're putting hockey bags or strollers or anything like that in the vehicle. You got the nice alloy wheels. As you can see, the body on this vehicle is in very nice shape. We've gone ahead, put some front tires on this vehicle, and we've also done some brake work. You can see those rotors, they're shining like new. So you know there's a lot of value. This car just came out of the detail and mechanical departments. You got nice fog lights down there. Nice Dodge grille. You got some rails on the top, so if you ever wanted to add a ski box or anything like that, you could throw some cross rails up there. You have the ability to do that. So on the inside, I'm not doing it right. So I'm going to open this up. So this has full stow and go capability. These seats fold flat into here. As well, those two seats fold flat into the ground. You could turn this basically into a cargo van if you wanted to. This does have the power lift gate. So you can see, you also have that option on your fob, which I'll show you as we do our interior walk around. I'll show you the back of the vehicle. Power sliding doors on both sides. Nice black leather seats. The cloth bolster on the middle. There you go. You got some rear, you have rear air and rear heat controls, which is a nice feature. You just hit this button down there. And this close up for you. So let's take a look at some of the interior driver features. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors to be expected. And you can also lock the rear windows if you have kids. Power driver's seat with lumbar support. We jump in, so let's take a look at the fob. Like I said before, you got lock, unlock, obviously the panic button. You hit that twice for your power lift gate. You got remote starter as well, and then you got your power rear sliding doors on both sides. Bluetooth hands-free calling right here. Cruise controls right here. You can also adjust your audio right there as well. We'll turn it on real quick. $52,000 kilometers, 52,666. So still got factory warranty. Navigation screen right there. Handy for those family trips. Backup camera, Sirius XM capabilities. There's all your rear controls right there. Everything's easy, well thought out, well laid out. So again, nice vehicle. All the leather seats are in very nice shape, lots of value. You got the leatherette bolster there. Got some additional storage down here with all your auxiliaries in there. Same thing here. Storage. You know that's the name of the game when you have kids. So again, this is the 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT Premium Plus. Lots of features. Don't miss out. Shop 24/7 at SeawayHyundai.com.